everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Madhusmita and you welcome to Tio Wallet. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also hit that bell notification as well so that you can get notified every time I post any video. From the title, the Pink Friday sale is finally back and so am I with my non-sponsored recommendations. The past 3 to 4 years, I have been making this Pink Friday sale haul kind of video and my recommendation on my YouTube channel. I have made a playlist on it as well, so you can just click the link in the description box and see all those previous recommendations as well. Every year Nykaa send me few of their products that are on sale so that I can show it to you all, and this is totally non-sponsored. Nykaa doesn't pay me, like literally no one pays me to make this video. I just feel like I should show you guys what I have got and future में मैं उसको जब रिव्यू करूँगी तो आपको पता चले कि मैं जेन्युइन रिव्यू दे रही हूँ. जिस दिन सेल स्टार्ट होगा उससे पहले, लाइक मे बी अ डे बिफोर और ऑन दैट डे इटसेल्फ, यू शुड गो टू माई Instagram stories to see more of my पर्सनल जेन्युइन रिकमेंडेशंस फॉर यू ऑल. जहाँ पे मैं Q&A करती हूँ वहाँ पे आप मुझे रिकमेंडेशंस के लिए पूछ सकते हो. विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू, लेट्स जस्ट गेट बिगिन विद द वीडियो. टू बिगिन विद, आई गॉट दिस Mario Badescu का लैवेंडर मिस्ट. So this is their facial spray with aloe, chamomile and lavender. ये मैंने पहले भी यूज़ किया है and this does have a lot of fragrance, so I don't like it. But if you are someone who's not sensitive to fragrance, then you can definitely go for this. I won't recommend this for acne prone skin or sensitive skin, but if you are of dry skin, normal skin, then you can definitely go for this. This is a really nice mist. What I have is something that I had on my wish list for almost 6 to 7 months now. I think last sale में मैं ये wish list में डाली थी, but again ये out of stock हो गया. But thank you Nykaa for sending me this because I know that this product is going to sell out for this. It's not gonna restock anytime soon. So this is the L'Oreal का glycolic acid eye serum. What the packaging looks like. It does have 3% glycolic acid and this is what the applicator looks like. I absolutely love these kind of metal applicator because they are so easy to use. इसको अंडर आइज के नीचे लगाओ तो बहुत ठंडा फील होगा. Plus if you have dark circles or puffy eyes, this is definitely a go-to. This has vitamin C, glycolic acid and niacinamide, which are really good for pigmentation, dark circles and everything. I started this you all, so I'll let you know soon on my Instagram story if this works for dark circles. The product that I got is Lotus. This is their whitening cream. As you all know, I don't endorse any whitening products, so again I won't recommend this to anyone because whitening brightening cream is just a no-go for me. So I'll just put it in a giveaway or I'll just give it away to someone. What I have is again my OG favorite. This is the Pond's lightweight जेल मॉइस्चराइज़र. आई नो कि ये बहुत जन का स्टेपल प्रोडक्ट है और मेरा भी था कभी, बट दिस अगेन हैज़ फ्रेगरेंस. सो आई हैवंट बीन यूजिंग फ्रेगरेंस फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम नाउ, सो I'll just give it away to someone else. But it's a really nice moisturizer you all. मैंने कॉलेज टाइम के जब मैं अंडर ग्रेजुएशन कर रही थी तो मैं बहुत यूज़ करती हूँ, लेकिन इसके डब्बे मैंने ख़त्म किए हैं. सो या दिस इज़ दैट. नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट अगेन, इसके बिना ये नायका का जो PR है ना वो अधूरा रहता है बिकॉज दे जस्ट कीप रीस्टॉकिंग मी विद दिस पर्टिकुलर क्लेंजर. सो दिस इज़ द सिंपल facial cleanser. I have literally talked every time when they send this to me, and also this is in my beginner skincare routine as well. So again, if you have sensitive skin, acne prone skin, please go ahead and grab this बिना कुछ सोचे because this is so good. ये lather नहीं करता है, so that is the best thing about it. So if you have acne prone skin or sensitive skin, then this is a really great product for you. I have super duper oily skin, you guys, so this really works. So if you have oily skin, then this is going to work for you as well. And the next product that I have with me is again something that I have used. This is from the brand Dermaco. This is their 2% kojic acid face serum. Now I had their face cream जो अभी भी मेरे वैनिटी में पड़ा है एंड मैं कभी इसको यूज़ नहीं करती. बेसिकली फॉर योर डार्क spots and pigmentation. This has alpha arbutin, kojic acid, niacinamide. You can use it in day and night, but I would prefer it to use it at night only. So yeah, इसका मेरे पास फेस क्रीम था जो मैं आई थिंक 2-3 बार यूज़ की होंगी, सो आई कैन नॉट टेल यू कि कितना काम करता है, बट दिस टाइम आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ द सेरम रिलीजियसली every day, like every alternative day, and let you know my genuine review. क्योंकि मेरे बहुत सारे डार्क स्पॉट्स हो गया है, लाइक आई नो अभी मैंने मेकअप लगाया तो दिख नहीं रहा होगा, बट आई हैव गॉटन अ वेरी बैड एक्ने, तो यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेशन हो चुका है डार्क स्पॉट्स का. आई जस्ट रियली होप दैट दिस विल हेल्प. Next thing that I have is something that I'm really excited to try this time. That is coming and I really needed this. So this is the Wishcare AHA BHA body lotion, and I do have a lot of pigmentation on my hands due to sun damage. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, I do have few pigmentation and it really looks bad, guys. Like, that's why I don't wear a lot of 3/4 or sleeveless tops, because I am really insecure about these pigmentation. This will not work for like my severe pigmentation, but I really just hope that this does show a little difference, क्योंकि मैंने इसके बारे में बहुत सुना है. And if it does, I'll let you know, guys. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this one out. We have is a hair care product, and this is from the brand Be Blunt. So basically this is a hair finishing stick. It's for your flyaways. Like अगर आपका like ऐसे ऐसे छोटे छोटे baby hairs है, जब आप इसको लगाओगे तो ये it just tame your flyaways. So cute. मुझे नहीं पता कि सेल के टाइम में इसका प्राइसेस क्या होगा. Make sure कि I'll write all the sale prices over here so that you can go and grab from the sale right away. Next product that I got is something that I just cannot have enough of. So this is the Foxtails Glow Sunscreen. Again, if you want to see a full review on it, I have made a video where I rated all my Foxtail products, including 4 to 5 of their sunscreens as well. I'll make sure कि मैं आई बटन में डाल दूंगी, so please go ahead and check it out. Something that I got is actually a perfume mist. So this is how the product looks like. It comes in a very cute rose gold packaging. I haven't heard of this brand. I actually don't know what the brand is. It's called Miso. I don't know. It's written Love Potion Perfume Mist with wild berries and jasmine. Very warm and very feminine, because this does have jasmine. So if you love jasmine in your perfume mist, then you can definitely try this one out. But again, this is not that long lasting. Yes, I have tried it and it's not long lasting, you guys. Like, I think winter में भी ये आपको इतना long lasting नहीं करेगा, because it just lasts for like 4 to 5 hours. So yeah, the product that I have with me is something that I have already tried, but this is in a different variant. So this is the Hyphen Peptide Lip Balm. Again, this is so on trend right now, and I have the shade Hazel with me now. मेरे पास एक brown shade हुआ करता था. I don't remember. I think the shade was some, I don't know what was the shade, but I have that and I really like it. I mean, the shade is so good, like the brown one that I had. So I would recommend that particular shade if you have pigmented lips like me. This is actually a clear lip balm. Yeah, this does not have any tint to it, so it's a simple clear lip balm. So you can definitely try this one out, or else you can just try their tinted one. That is coming, and I really need a lot of lip balms with me, so yeah, this is definitely going to be in handy. Next product that I have with me is my all-time favorite Maybelline Sky High mascara. I do have like backup of it a lot of time. अभी भी मेरे वैनिटी में 3 या 4 आपको Maybelline का ये मस्कारा देखने को मिलेगा, because honestly guys, the day I got it, I just keep applying this, because even without falsies my lashes look so good. So yeah, but हाँ, इसको रिमूव करना थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो सकता है if you are going to use only micellar water. So I would recommend you to use a oil based cleanser to remove it properly. The product that I have with me is from the brand LET, and this is their all eyes on new eyeliner, and I do have their colorful liner, and I really love this. I had the green one and it's a really good quality, and this is actually their shade shifter ombre eyeliner. I have never tried this, so I'll just quickly show you how it looks like. So this is what the product looks like. Oh, look at that, you guys. I don't know कैमरा में इतना अच्छे से कैप्चर नहीं कर रहा है, but I just wish you guys can see that shift, right? I don't know if you guys can see the actual shift, but yeah, you see? That is so pretty, like so pretty. I absolutely love this. I just cannot like wait to do creative look so that I can use this. Something that I have already used and I love this. And this is the Mars Scandalicious lip gloss. This is in the shade Cherry Cola, and I have actually done shorts and a reel on this as well, swatching it. And Cherry Cola is one of my favorite shade because when you apply this also tastes like Cherry Cola, you guys. Shade, the shine, the pigmentation is absolutely lovely. So I would definitely recommend you guys to get this, and this is for only 200 rupees, so go grab this right away. Last but not the least, we have the ELF Satin O Face Lipstick. This was one of the most hyped product from ELF, I would say. This is something I wanted to purchase, but I was like, this is not a transfer proof lipstick, this is a satin lipstick, and I'm not a fan of satin lipstick. But since it's winter and our lips needs a little bit hydrating, nourishing, then these kind of lipstick just goes a long way. So I have the shade Me, Myself and I'll just quickly show you what the shade looks like. So this is basically a coral lip shade. This is not my shade, like I don't wear a lot of coral shade, but I'll just quickly show you the swatch. So that is how the shade looks like. It does have a satin finish, as you guys can see. Wow, it's a stunning shade. So yeah guys, those were the products that Nykaa sent me in the PR. I hope that you loved the video after such a long time. And please do not forget to go to my Instagram story a day before or on the day of the sale to check my personal recommendations, like my genuine प्रोडक्ट रिकमेंडेशंस फॉर द सेल. आप ये वीडियो सेल के स्टार्ट होने के बाद देख रहे हो एंड माई स्टोरीज, यू कांट सी माई स्टोरीज. आई मेक श्योर कि मैं अपने प्रोफाइल के हाईलाइट में एक हॉट पिंक सेल या फिर पिंक फ्राइडे सेल का एक हाईलाइट कर दूंगी, सो दैट if you watch this video and then go to my Instagram story, then you can watch all my recommendations there. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.